Nilight LED Light Bar, 2PCS 60W. The Nilight LED Light Bar, 2PCS 60W is a popular choice among automotive enthusiasts and off-road adventurers seeking powerful and efficient lighting solutions. This review delves into the features and performance of this specific Nilight product. One of the standout features of the Nilight LED Light Bar 2PCS 60W is its impressive illumination. With a combined output of 60 watts, these two light bars generate a bright and far-reaching beam that effectively lights up the road or trail ahead. This makes them ideal for off-road excursions, nighttime driving, and various work applications. The construction and durability of these light bars are also commendable. They feature robust aluminum alloy housing and shatterproof polycarbonate lenses. This sturdy build ensures the lights can withstand the rigors of off-roading, including exposure to dust, water, and impacts. The IP67 rating further attests to their ability to resist dust and water,